Hello and welcome back to another section of Uncle Sam online tutorial. In today's class, we'll be examining derived quantities and units. Remember in our previous class when I did the introduction in physics that we considered fundamental quantities and units. Today's class we are considering derived quantities and units. So what are derived quantities? Derived quantities are those quantities that are gotten from what? Simple combination of the what? Fundamental quantities. They cannot be expressed in terms of their own. They have to what? Be a combination of two or more fundamental quantities. Same thing with derived units. Derived units are also what? Units that are gotten from a simple combination of the fundamental units that we treated in the previous class. So, examples of these derived quantities and their units. One is what? Area. What is the derived unit of area? Now remember, I'll be using the fundamental SI unit. There are also other units, but I'll be using their fundamental SI unit. So for area, I am looking at what? The area unit of area is meter square, followed by what? Volume. Volume is what? Meter cube. And I hope you already know what this thing means. Meter square means meter times meter, and meter cube is meter times meter. So you see that at this point, it is actually obeying the definition because derived quantities are what? Gotten by simple combination of what? Fundamental quantities. M on its own is a fundamental quantity, fundamental unit of what? Length. So here you have M squared. It's now joined together. M is joined together to give us what? The unit of what? Area. So let's continue. We move over to what? Speed. Speed is also a derived quantity because unit is meter per second. We have the next one, acceleration. Acceleration is meter per second square. I hope you're following. Then we have the next one, which is force. Yes, force. Force is what? kg meter per second square. That is the derived unit of what? Force. There are also other units, which is also, you can call it N, which stands for what? Newton. That's another unit for what? Force. I hope you're following. And the next one is what? Energy. Energy. What is the derived unit of energy? Derived unit is kg meter squared per second squared. That is the derived unit of what? Energy. Or simply you can call it the joules. Joules. Okay. Then we go over to the next one, which is also work. Work done. Work done or work. The derived unit is also what? kg meter squared per second square. Or it is also measured in what? Joules. Hope you're following. Okay. So the next one on our list is momentum. Momentum. The derived unit, because the formula is mass times velocity, so the derived unit is going to be what? kg meter per second. That is the derived unit of what? Momentum. Going up, we have the impulse. Impulse is also a derived quantity. What is the formula? The formula is force times time. So if force is Newton, then impulse will be what? Newton seconds. That is unit, or it can be what? Since the force is kg meter per second square, it's going to be kg meter per second cube. Yeah, you can verify that. Okay. So in coming class, I'll be discussing dimension, because in dimension, I'll be able to tell you how I arrived at this unit. The next one on our list is pressure. Pressure. Yes. Pressure is what? Force over area. So it's actually Newton per meter square. Okay. That is the unit. Or kg meter. Yes, because the force is kg meter per seconds, and this is Newton over kg per meter per second square. That's another unit for what? Pressure. So we'll be stopping here for today, although there are other derived quantities and units, but I want to stop it for today. You can go on and search for the next, or you can also, yes, you can go on and search for the next and come back to the comment section and tell me what you found. So remember, we started from defining that derived quantities are quantities that were gotten from a simple combination of what? The fundamental quantities. Same thing with the derived units. They are gotten from a simple combination of what? The fundamental what? Unit. So we listed all some of the derived quantities that we have in physics, and they are different what? Units. In the next class, I'll be discussing about dimension. Please stay tuned because it's going to be very, very interesting. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.